such as Abrams tanks, MRAMs, ATACMS here in Europe.
Lockheed Martin and Rheinmetall plan to build ATACMS missiles in Germany. The two companies announced the plan on July 7, 2026, after signing an agreement at the NATO Summit Defense Industry Forum in Ankara. The goal is simple. Europe wants to build more of its own long-range missiles. This will help NATO keep enough weapons ready during a crisis or war. It will also reduce the need to wait for supplies from overseas. The missiles will be built at Rheinmetall's factory in Unterlüß, Germany. If the project moves forward, it will become Europe's first center for building, testing, and delivering ATACMS missiles. This will help NATO members get missiles faster when they need them. The agreement is more than a business deal. It is also part of NATO's plan to make its defense industry stronger. By making weapons in Europe, NATO can keep its forces ready even if global supply lines are disrupted. ATACMS stands for Army Tactical Missile System. It is a long-range missile made by the United States. The missile can be launched from HIMARS and M270 rocket launchers, which are already used by many NATO countries. ATACMS is designed to hit important enemy targets far from the front line. These targets can include command centers, ammunition storage sites, supply hubs, air defense systems, and other military positions. By destroying these targets, the missile can weaken an enemy before ground forces move in. The missile has been used in real combat for many years. Lockheed Martin says ATACMS has shown high accuracy and reliable performance in difficult missions. Because it has already been tested in battle, NATO countries know it is a trusted weapon. Long-range missiles like ATACMS play an important role in modern warfare. They allow armies to strike important targets without moving soldiers close to the enemy. This can slow enemy attacks, damage supply lines, and make it harder for an opponent to fight. Building ATACMS in Germany also gives Europe a stronger supply chain. Instead of waiting for missiles to arrive from the United States, European countries can receive them more quickly. This is especially important if many missiles are needed during a long conflict. The new factory is expected to do more than build missiles. It will also help with testing, maintenance, and delivery. This will make it easier for NATO countries to keep their missile systems ready for use. The project also brings together two major defense companies. Lockheed Martin provides the missile technology, while Rheinmetall brings its manufacturing experience. Together, they can increase missile production and improve support for NATO forces across Europe. For NATO, the project sends a clear message. The alliance is working to strengthen its defenses and improve military readiness. It also shows that the United States and Europe are working closely together to face future security challenges. If completed, the new production center will help NATO respond faster during a crisis. It will also help ensure that Allied forces have enough long-range missiles to defend their countries. Overall, the project is an important step for NATO and Europe. Building ATACMS missiles in Germany will improve missile production, strengthen Europe's defense industry, and help keep NATO forces ready for future threats.